Top 5 Pre-Consumer Niche Research, Episode 10. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we'll continue with the 10th episode of the top 5 niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Her first niche is the Pi Day 2021. I didn't even know what the Pi Day was, so I did some research. It says the Pi Day is on March 14th. And why is Pi Day so important? It says it's a day when mathematicians and math lovers around the world celebrate pi, often approximated to 3.14. If you've ever taken a math class before, obviously you've taken it in the lower classes, and you must have come across this pi, which is 3.14. So apparently the celebrating is 3.14 or pi, which is in math class and is for math lovers and mathematicians and all the like. So I found a shirt, which is this one right here, is doing quite well. It's a pie and it's actually been mixed with a max that is related to the pandemic and all the like. I said before in the past that anything related to the pandemic, like with a max or with a hand sanitizer, anything related to that will surely do well because is related to a current event. So scrolling down, let's take a look at the BSR. So the BSR says the overall trend was up. Look at this. It was approaching 1. That shows how many people have been buying this. So look at this. 71 people have bought it at 16.99. That's the current price. And let's take a look at other t-shirts. Here are the keywords that you can use. Let's take a look at other t-shirts from the same brand. This one has over 20 reviews. My proud daughter of immigrants. Oh, immigrants. There you go. So anyway, let's go to the next niche. The next niche of today is still the Pi Day. I put it close to the Pi Day shirt so I can show you another variation. This one is not actually a niche. This is just another t-shirt of the same niche. So this one too is doing well. Has 86 sales, price at 17.99, BSR 40,000. And let's take a look at the trend. The overall trend was up, the current trend is down. Let's scroll down here, the keywords you can use, and they are similar t-shirts from the same brand. So that's it for the Pi Day shirt. It's on March 14th, so you should start making some shirts for Pi Day if you want to grab some sales. So here's our next niche. I'm not sure why this is trending. If you go right down here, you'll see that overall trend is up and current trend is up. So if anyone can tell me why this is trending, I'll really appreciate it in the comment section. But apparently it's trending. It's a cat holding guns and the shirt says pew pew motherfuckers. And to be sincere, I don't know why people are loving it. I don't know if it's related to a movie or something. So I tried reading the description bullet point to maybe get a reason why it's trending, but it just says, "Do you love cats? Then get this pew pew motherfucker shirt. Perfect gift for cat lovers." So maybe cat lovers love it, love to see cats holding guns and things like that. Or maybe it's related to a movie. I have no idea. So here's a t-shirt. It's really trending. And it's priced at 16.99. It sold 135 times, over 21 reviews. And look at the BSR, 24,000. Not bad. Now scrolling down, obviously I talked about the trends, up, and the keywords. Those are the keywords, and here are similar designs that you can get inspiration from. So our third niche is this women's March girls wing eye sort of design. So the reason why I chose this design is because obviously this is a design for March girls, obviously women who were born in March. And I always like choosing designs that you can scale. You can always change this March girl to March boy. You could even change the March to February, change it to April, July. So you can change this to boy, you can change this girl to boy, and you can change this March to other months. You can see March girl, February girl, January girl, December girl, and any girl who was born in those years are likely to purchase it. So that's why it's been doing so well. Over 69 sales for the past 30 days and over 5 reviews. And don't forget to change this to boy if you want more scaling. If you want to scale it more. So scrolling down, overall trend is up and current trend is down. And you keep scrolling here, the keywords that you can use. And scrolling down again, you have these other designs from the same person. So I was hoping that this person who made this design would have changed this match to something, because usually when I talk about it in the top and I scroll down, I always see that the person has done something similar to what I was talking about. But I'm surprised to see that this person hasn't created more shirts, more designs from this shirt. But obviously it's doing well. I don't know why they haven't made a variation, or maybe they're in the process of doing that. I'm not sure, but they have put this on a hoodie, which is great. Right now places are cold and people are searching for warm clothing, so putting it on a hoodie is a good idea. I don't know if they've placed it on a sweatshirt, but a sweatshirt too is a great idea. So moving on to the next niche is, so I decided to throw up some few St. Patrick's Day shirts, even though I know St. Patrick's Day is almost here, but I decided to give you variations of designs that are doing good. I always go for shirts that are selling well, like they are trending right now. So you can maybe throw a design up there that you can quickly get some few sales from. So that was my idea for putting this St. Patrick's Day niche. But right now, what you should be focusing on is either the Pi Day or Easter Day or anything that is in the future. If you want to If you want to look at the events, let me just if you want to look at the future events, just scroll down here and you'll see events coming up and calendar right here. So what you want to do is you go to the calendar. So here's the US March calendar. So here's St. Patrick's Day in a few weeks time, and here is Easter. So these are things that you should be focusing on if you're searching for a niche in the future. But we're gonna come back to our niche. This is the St. Patrick's Day niche. This is something that is trendy right now, and you should take advantage of it because St. Patrick's Day is in a few weeks time, and sales are already scaling. If you want to grab some sales, you should definitely post the design as soon as possible. So this is a very easy design. It's just a curved word, which you can do anywhere. You can do it on Canva. You can even do it on Zazzle. Anywhere you can do this curved design. If you want me to do a tutorial of how to make this design, please let me know in the comment section below. So it's just basically a mug with beer on it, with clover and a curved text. So it's a very easy design. If you want me to show you how to do this, let me know in the comment section below. So the last shirt is still the St. Patrick's Day shirt. I just wanted to show you a variation of St. Patrick's Day niche and to show you how a design is doing well if you throw in a pandemic related design, which is this one right here. You remember I said something. You remember I said that anything that has to do with the pandemic, that is the hand sanitizer and tissue paper with a mask. It's doing well. It's a leprechaun mask with over 54 sales, price of 17.45, and scrolling down is overall trend up, current trend down, and here are the keywords that you can use. So here are similar designs from the same person, hopefully the same brand, and these ones aren't doing well, so we shouldn't focus on that. It's the same thing. So one thing that I want to say is if your design is doing well, please don't forget to transfer those designs to other products. Like in this case, this person has put it on phone cases, has put it on a pop socket, and has put it in other marketplaces. This is in the UK market. Yeah, so yes, and I've also put it on a hoodie. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.